Oh my god, do you know guys how many, I've been talking for 3 minutes and I was muted. I even said hello to everybody. I did the intro, I did everything and nobody heard that. Well, maybe the spirits around me did hear that, so there's that. Anyways, let's start over again. Hello everybody in the chat. Chris, Dimut, yo, perfect time in the center place, nice to have you here as always. Chamali, nice, a stream. Gort went hiding, Roshten says. Roshten misses his girlfriend. Gort. Naim, hello, pump it. Milaren is back in the chat with the diamond hands. 46, we are coming. The center plane, thank you for noticing that because I did not notice that I was muted. Here's to my downfall. Yeehaw. I got you back. Nice. Demjan, what's up? Hi. Parosh, what's up, man? Nick Black, let's do it. I'm still in alone. Well, as I just said while I was being muted, and as you can see in the title, I closed my long position, guys. I had a long position on Phantom, and I closed the long position because I opened it down here somewhere, so it went up nicely, and then I closed it on this move over here towards downside. I closed my position on this move downside because I emotionally closed the position right over here. So why did I do that? Because my Phantom long was 30% up in profit, and I couldn't handle the thought about me losing another 30% win. Because I was thinking, yeah, it might go a little bit down, and then it's gonna go up again, and this might be one of those times where we just pump, you know, to the moon, you know, 20-30% pump on Phantom or whatever. But you know, inside me, it was emotional close. I emotionally closed my trade because I wasn't looking at charts. I was on my mobile, but you know, emotionally I could not handle seeing that 30% win and that losing it again. Do you know how many times I've lost 30% wins? So many times. But this time I was like, you know what? I ain't losing it this time. I ain't losing my, you know, 30% this time. I don't care if it pumps to the moon. I need to build the wins. I need to build the wins. I need to build the confidence. I need to build the wins, and so forth, so forth. So I closed my long. But that only means one thing. We're gonna pump, you know, and we did pump a little bit up here. So I saw this, you know, pull back down over here. I was like, nope, not losing that. And of course, what happens right after that, we pump. And it doesn't look that weak. It doesn't look that weak. 1 hourly time frame up here, you know, I opened my long up here, you know, it jumped on moving averages, right now climbing towards the upside. 4 hourly still got, you know, long way to go. I literally closed in empty space. I literally closed my trade in empty space, but I'm fearing a little bit that, you know, this might actually come a little bit down up here and then go up again, because this was, you know, just 2 moves up and then, you know, just this move without any kind of pullback down here. So I think that there might come a, you know, dump up here before we go up again. Bra. Ja, det är väldigt bra. So there is that. But and I wasn't actually thinking about streaming today because, you know, I already had a long position going on, and, you know, I'm not, you know, 100%, you know, rested. So I was like, you know, I'm not gonna share. But, you know, I closed my stream and I'm seeing stuff pump, and I was like, you know what, let's do a stream and, you know, put in some positions, maybe, just maybe. And we'll see. So, what are we gonna look at first? Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin, of course. We gotta look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin's doing nicely, guys. Bitcoin broke the resistance up here. So this thing was over here broken. There is another line up here that needs to be broken. That's, you know, might be up here right now, where we're coming right now. This actually looks very nice. So we might be coming to some kind of resistance. It might not be, you know, entirely empty space. You see up here, very, very close to, you know, 23,728 up here. And you can see this, you know, doji up here in the middle. And this move towards upside. This is actually quite bullish. But we are getting a little bit extended. So we might just try to short it up here a little bit. You know, short-term scalp towards downside up here. Let's see the volume up here kicking in. Yeah, volume, there is no volume on, like, there is volume up here. But it can do another move up here, maybe. This is just short-term play, we don't care. But it's nice, it looks nice. So up here we are coming back above this 20 moving average. Major resistance level up here at 23,725, this previous high up here. So right now we are hitting that. Right, we also got this line that we just drew. Was it this line now? Was it the 4 hourly? I lost. Yeah, right up here, 23,727. Very close. Can you show my moon boy chart? Yes, yes, I can show you a moon boy chart. Where is the moon boy chart? This one. Look at this, guys. This is the prediction of London. Screenshot this, post it on Twitter, post it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and everywhere, Facebook. Hold him accountable if he fail. So right now, this is a very nice channel up here. We came above that channel. We are, I don't know if you can see that, but you know, we are retesting the channel. We broke, you know, tried to break up here, tried to, you know, break up September. Right now we're retesting it. So right now we're going to the top up here of the channel, and that's around something like 35, 32, 35k. Then, you know, maybe some kind of zigzag pattern up here before we break all the way up to, you know, 46k. Then we have a pullback to the channel. Then we break this, you know, actually technically we might break something else up here, you know, there's this level up here, you know, up here maybe somewhere. And then, you know, move towards upside. Yeah, Bo, Sunday evening stream. So it's a nice chart. And he also posted, yeah, so you can see up here, this is his midline up here, and you can see up here we retested that line very, very nicely. So big charts, guys, big charts. I did a couple of shorts on YouTube. I don't know if you guys seen that. Wait, that was it. Let's do it again. I forgot the sound.
How to 10x your trading. Click this button. There you go. You have now improved your trading by 10x.
Do you like it? And I got another one that's coming out tomorrow, but you know.
How to 10x your trading. Stop using emotional moving averages and use real moving averages. There you go. You have now improved your trading by 10x.
I thought it was funny. I think it's funny. I like it. Wow, this is nice. Joshua. Come on, come on. Yeah. Since when did you have a woman voice? Ah. So this move up here is a little bit, you know, too quick for my taste. So we're gonna see up here. There is no divergence up here on the 50-minute chart, 30-minute chart, nothing. 1 hourly chart, still going up here, but you know, there is nothing up here. And right now this 4 hourly down here at the bottom is right now pulling back. It's Joseph, not Joshua. Is it J1? This is jokes. What? Where did he go? Joseph. It's Joseph. It's named Joseph. Joseph. It's not Joshua. Joseph. Joseph. Okay, Joseph. It's give or take. Chinese already buying or fake out. They might be buying, maybe. I don't know. But everything pumped like 3-4%, and you know, my wife indicator did go off. Like I showed you yesterday that, you know, my wife said when stuff is down by 20%, you buy. Like, she's correct on that one. I mean, you cannot complain about that one. Let's look at. I'm gonna show you something very bullish, guys, on all the coins, not just, you know, ape coin, all coins. So this monthly time frame broke. Above moving averages, consolidating up here. Still about 10-20 moving average, very nice. Solana up here, still above 10-20 moving averages. Cardano, still above 10-20 moving averages. Ethereum V, okay, this is getting squeezed between these two. Matic, you know, we don't have to talk about Matic up here, you know, it's blasting through. Phantom pulling back to the 200 moving average, still above moving averages up here, right? Very nice. Ethereum Classic pulling back to the 10-20 moving average. These are superbly nice entry points on the weekly time frame. Dogecoin up here. Dogecoin is actually looking, you know, worse than you know, other coins up here, because it's right now done a bunch, you know, so it needs to pump up here a little bit, because this move up here, you know, right now getting rejected. Maybe it's gonna do, you know, that move up there. But let's look at the other coins. Shiba up here just pulling back, still above 10-20 moving average up here. Qcoin up here above 10-20 moving average. Sand 10-20 moving. Look how nicely we have been in, you know, squeezing back, you know, until these moving averages up here, just, you know, ready for takeoff. Like, these are the most important ones, right? Mana up here, 10-20 moving average down here. Alice, you know, Alice exploded up here, so it's extended up here. The Polkadot is probably on the moving average down here. It exploded up here right now, pulling back, but still above 10-20 moving average. So we often, that's drunken. Yeah, that's drunken. So we often get a little bit scared. We often get a little bit scared when we are looking at, you know, 4-hourly daily time frame, you know, 5 minutes time frame and stuff like that. But when you're looking at on the weekly time frame, like, everything looks so nice, guys. Everything looks so nice. It's insanely nice, like, very, very nice. And, you know, see here is this very nice entry point down here at, you know, 10-20 moving average, where we actually went down to. See down here, and we bounced off that. Right now we're picking up here again. No pullbacks, no pullbacks down here anymore. Like, you get one chance and then it's right back up again, right? You get one chance, that's right back up again. And this looks actually very nice up here. This explosive move towards the upside. So we're gonna see if this actually bounces or not. And oftentimes these kind of patterns, on candlestick patterns, oftentimes these kind of patterns, when you have a big candle, and then you have this, you know, flying doji up here, oftentimes this pulls back down here. But right now it did not do that. This is actually a bullish signal after these two candles over here. Very nice. Hitting this 200 moving average up here. Although I would say, you know, short-term short might be the case. There is no nothing, just pull back a little bit. Wow, look at this move up here. Damn, this was a big move. So we're gonna see. I'm a little bit unsure what to do. Aptos, I forgot to look at Aptos for a longest time. Wow, Aptos went through the 50 and bouncing right back to the resistance on the 50. Where is the volume on Aptos up here? Volume, it just went down. But volume is going down while we have been, you know, bleeding down up here. So there is line, there is line. Where is line? Up there, up there. Give or take, maybe up here. No, this looks more like it. We came very close to that line. And of course we got a top line up here, not this one, up here, somewhere over here. Yeah, might be some kind of bigger falling wedge. I don't know what to do anymore. I think I'll go into a coma for 5 years and wake up rich. Yeah, that will do it. Like, but don't go into, you know, if you go into coma for 5 years, you wake up in the next bear market, man. I wouldn't recommend that. You know, maybe, you know, year and a half or something like that, you know, then you are in the, you know, euphoria phase. So that might be nice. I still think, you know, I mean, these coins that did, you know, 5x, 10x moves, they're having a big pullbacks right now, right? You gotta understand that we are just in the very start of the bull market, guys. Very start of the bull market. So these pullbacks are okay. When you get to the euphoria phase, you know, at the end of the bull market, when Bitcoin gets to the euphoria phase, and you get these kind of moves, it's game over. These are the last kind of moves that you're gonna see in the bull market. Oftentimes you see these kind of moves, and then, you know, everybody, I mean, we have gone through bear market, so we've seen all these coins that do like 10, 20, 30x, and then, you know, everybody thinks that it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, it's just not pumping, right? So when you get to the euphoria phase and you kind of see these kind of, you know, big explosive moves towards upside, it's pretty much game over. It's pretty much game over. That said, we are not even close to the euphoria phase, so what we are having right now is just, you know, first pullback of many pullbacks on all the coins. So, you know, I'm still, you know, bullish on Aptos because everybody likes Aptos. I'm bullish on Optimal OP because everybody's talking about OP. I don't understand the fundamentals of stuff, but, you know, there you go. This OP, this is a daily time frame. Looks actually very nice. This is actually ready for a new move towards upside up here, I think. And right now, just before the stream, I was watching Trader XO. He has a nice live stream. He's still doing live. And he was also looking at OP, but he's bearish on OP. He thinks it might go a little bit towards the upside and stuff like that. See? Short and strong. Ha 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 ha. You know, they're still making fun of Capo. This is Capo, you know, this is Capo's, you know, Capo's comment. Short and strong. So, I've been looking at Trader XO lately. You know, what he does, you know, trying to figure out, you know, but, you know, he uses, you know, Fibonacci's, he uses, you know, emotional moving averages, but his strategy is based on, you know, accumulation and distribution zones, about ranges, you know, range high, range low, about, you know, some kind of channel stuff like that. But I think it's weak. I know he's a lot better trader than me. Like, who am I to, you know, tell him that he's, you know, his analysis is weak? No, but I think it's weak. That's my take on it. But he was also looking at OPL earlier today, whatever. That is optimism. Like, he was also looking at optimism.
Hoping for higher prices. Well, you've got a problem because first of all, we need to get above this range high.
Yeah, so he thinks we need to break the range high, and then.
Anybody who's looking for longs and shorting down here, they're getting ripped to whole. Anybody who's long in the highs, they're getting ripped to pieces. Okay, but ultimately, let's zoom in now onto the 4-hour chart. Let's see what we've got to work with. So on OP, we've identified this as our range lows. In my case, I'm probably going to use this as the range low as well, the monthly open, okay? There's my range low there. So this is me in real time now mapping out a trade. Range low, monthly open, weekly open, range high. This red line is the high time frame range high, okay? Look at the fact, right? This is where high time frame context comes into place. What do you see here on a weekly basis? What are these here? Wicks, right? So what does this tell you? That for now, at the moment, price is unable to find acceptance above this key swing high. Let me just get this tighter, okay? So there you go. First of all, we've got a problem.
No. This is weekly time frame, guys. This is weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame of Optimus. And what he's saying that, you know, what kind of chart is he looking at? A Qcoin chart. Okay, let's look at Qcoin chart. Oh, USDT on Qcoin. Where's Qcoin? There's Qcoin at the chart. Yeah, so he's looking at this this high up here. And he's actually looking at all the way up here at the top. And he's saying we are failing to get above the top. No, we are already above the top, guys. The closes are very, very important. The wicks are not important, at least the way I see it. We tried over here to get above top. We failed back, and right now we are coming back above the top. Now we still got this, you know, high, but you know it means nothing. It means nothing. So I would say that this is already on a way towards upside up here. I would say this is already on a way towards upside. But let's see what more does he say about it.
When price trades above the level, we get back inside. Sellers stepping into the market. Okay? So that tells you that this range up here is a level where price is heavily being sold into and longs are getting trapped. And it's a deviation, yes. And it's also got a swing fail on a weekly time frame. Now let's drop into the daily chart. There's the daily range. range highs, or this was the down candle which led to expansion to the upside. There's our range. Range high, range low. There's that key high time frame level. Look at where price is rejecting today, right? It's rejecting off that range high, that macro
like
range
a
high.
rising wedge over here.
Okay, now let's take it further. Let's refine it further. I'm just going to remove the monthly level. Just bear with me a second, and the weekly open. I just want to focus on this range here, right? You got your range high. You got
a lot of these ranges, right? He likes ranges, right? We already get that he's like, but we are on the weekly time frame, and if you look at a weekly time frame, we are already creating a high up here, and there is a big divergence up here at the top. Now that's actually not very good, but we did pull back down to 60 levels over here. So if, you know, even though we have divergence up here, you know, if next candle pumps up here, you know, there will be no divergence. So it's too early to say that we, you know, divergence is going to push it towards the downside. And there is not much actually that's saying right now that, you know, this looks bad. Now, if you have been in some kind of bear market up here, because this big move up here, you know, this consolidation up here pulling back, we might actually pull back again towards the same range. But this is just consolidating up here right now. This just consolidating. This can definitely just continue pumping towards upside. I mean, this is not over. This is just in the very start of the bull market, right? So we gotta have the, you know, open mind, and the volume is kicking in as well. So let's go to the daily time frame up here. So what you're gonna see here, we had this very nice uptrend over here. I don't know if it's this one or this one. Let's just say that it's this one up here. No, this one goes from over here to over here, and there we go. So we get a couple options up here. This was the first option over here, I think, that we broke. Right now we're having the second option up here that we broke, and then right now we're having this third one, right? Third one. So we need to break towards upside up here or down over here, but it looks like it's, you know, weakening a little bit. Oftentimes it can go down up here and then blast through towards upside up here. Maybe in the short term. But what kind of move is this over here? Is this already breaking? Let's see on daily time frame. Yeah, so we are again coming towards upside. This is actually going again, you know, towards upside up here. It looks nice. Up there, over here, retest up here. How much down movement is that? 3%. That's huge. Bitcoin is pulling back. Nice. I sold at the right time. Very nice. But did Bitcoin hit our target up there? Where did we draw a target? No. I'm just pulling back a little bit. Still, you know, still an option up here. Let's go back to OP for a second. And look at a daily time frame up here. You can also use this one up here, give or take. This range up here, man. Some music, please. Oh yeah, sorry. I never knew you liked background music. There we go. Yeah, it does kill a little bit, you know. You know, it sets the mood a little bit. Maybe that's the word. No, it's not this one. It's not that one. It's up here. Yeah, this is the one. Maybe something like this up here, give or take. Cannot be this one. So it must be something like this over here. Say 2-day time from up here. Like, no, it seems that it's over here. Yeah, this is nice. Like, this is beautiful. Look at this touch up here. Yeah, this gotta be it. So at least we got something to work on, work with, right? This looks nice, you know, went above the zero line up here, went higher up here on the chart. Going towards the upside, but is there any kind of pattern beside the channel? Like everything is in a channel, right? Everything is a channel, right? We don't want channel, we want some kind of, you know, up here there might seem to be rising wedge. Yeah, that's what I thought, but you know, how do we look at this rising wedge? It's nice up here. This is crappy rising wedge. It's not this one. Could be expanding, you know, musical instrument up here, something like that. Like this is nothing down here. Let's say it's a channel inside a channel. Let's say it's a channel inside a channel. I don't know. They're everywhere. Yeah, they are everywhere. And maybe we can just look at a bigger picture up here. And go up in time frames. Maybe a little bit down. Like 3 days, something like that, because you get a nicer image. And this looks like okay-ish. Midline up here, respected. It looks like okay, so this move up here could actually come, right? That's not 30% if I'm not, you know, 100% move on OP incoming. 100% just to get at the top. And there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with the indicator as well. It pulled back. This, let's see weekly up here. You know, it does look like it's a divergence, but if it pumps up there, there will be no zero divergence up here, right? And then, you know, it might actually pull back. When is the last time you had a triangle? Dude, no. Yeah, I had a falling wedge on Bitcoin right now. You know, because here's the thing about channels. I you know, you know, it's, you know, channels are girls, like you like them, but you know, they tell you nothing, right? So you only know that it might break towards upside, right? You only know that it might break towards upside. On the other hand, if you have a pattern can tell you something about when. Right, this looks a lot, you know, because it's squeezing, so you know it's gonna be soon. But if you just have a channel, like, it's really hard to know whether this is gonna go all the way down, you know. So, you know, but triangle. When was the last time we had a triangle? Up here there was a triangle, if I remember correctly, or something like that, right? At least some kind of ascending triangle with some kind of resistance up here at top. There was that. How did this this channel work out? Yeah, this kind of crappy thing. Yeah. Now we gotta use everything. We gotta use, you know, Fibonacci and volume profile and everything, and as many indicators as we can to figure out what's gonna happen. But I really do like the fact that we can draw lines on the RSI. I do like that. It's a gold nugget for me, so I like that. Daily time frame up here. Still not below zero line. Getting higher up here. Very nice. And we avoided the divergence up here by a straw, man. We avoided the divergence on the 2-day time frame by a straw. And it would have been a bullish divergence as well. Wales controls everything. Yeah, and what you gonna do about that, Akshi? What you gonna do about that? Of course they are controlling everything. Do we care? No. We do our thing. And whales do their thing. You know? We don't care about what whales are doing. We do our thing. We have our lines, they have their lines. Everybody has their own lines. This is nice, pull back up here right now, pull back right now, pulling a little bit back up. But you see this move up here, it broke the trend up here. Try to get up here. There's another line right now that needs to hold. You know what we gotta do? We gotta analyze how these first moves played out in previous bull markets. So let's find coins, for example Ethereum, or up here. This is AVX. Let's see weekly time frame on AVX up here. We don't have anything. Let's go to Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum is up here looking juicy. And there is no divergence on Ethereum. See up here on the weekly time frame, there is no divergence on Ethereum, guys. There is no divergence on Ethereum. Zero divergence on Ethereum. This was just climbing up here. I don't see anything. I don't like this move though. Well, I see a wedge, I draw a wedge. Where are we in the psychologist's market cycle? We are in capitulation mode. No, we are in disbelief. Disbelief, definitely 100% disbelief, because people cannot believe what's happening, so you gotta be disbelief. Like monthly charts look so nice on everything. I think next week we're gonna, you know, pump on everything like big times. And next week starts in 3 hours. So there's that. I think this was, you know, first move up here, you know, consolidating up here. Then maybe fake out towards upside. Some stuff is gonna just, you know, explode. So let's find something that's, you know, about to explode. This went up there, that right now goes like this up here, and then it goes, you know, double bottom down here above towards upside. And we're just looking, you know, for, you know, anything bullish. Lunk. And I would like to find some kind of pattern. Like if I see pattern, that's nice. I like these big weeks on that. Did mana break the lines? No, mana is haven't broken yet. Depends on how you look at it. Like over here, it looks like it's breaking it already. But this might have been some kind of fake out, right? This goes all the way back down there, so we should actually draw it like this over here. From the top. Yeah, it looks like it already broke, so this might, you know, pump. Let's set the resistance. Maybe there should come some kind of pullback. Let's look a little bit more. B Pro up another 20%. Aptos. I don't know. Aptos looks to me okay. See up here, there's a bigger wedge up here. Give or take. It's nice, right? Might have a pullback though. Trust in the moons. Shiba Army, TLA. Pampura. Ape can boom. Everything can boom. Aptos. I like the falling wedge up here. Let's analyze. Let's look a little bit more at falling wedges up here. There is lower low down here. Lower low down here. So there is no. But it's going, you know. That's low. I don't think it's gonna come that low. It still extends from moving. No, it's just hitting this 10 moving average. So this looks actually quite nice. Doesn't have to hit it on the dollar, especially these kind of moves. So right now sitting at resistance up here at 50 MA. What kind of moves? Oh, this is nice. So I mean, it's pullback. This is still 2.5, still very high for for a loan. What do you guys think? Oh my God! Look what this on Friday. Look what 30 minutes chart is printing on DXY. If this isn't the flag, I don't know what is. DXY is printing the flag, guys. DXY is printing the flag. Maybe another one is. These are my targets up here, 105 and 106. So maybe it's gonna do another one of these moves up here when it opens. $280 on the long. Up and away. 8-hour time frame looks to the moon. I don't know. You cannot long because you need to wait for a pullback. You cannot long because you need to wait for a pullback, right? And pullback already happened. So, but you cannot short because it doesn't look that weak. This is longable though. 1. Yeah, 1.7% down. One is actually doable. I mean, there is not a lot of, volume up here. So if it comes to these low ranges down here, that might be longable, right? It's 1.36% more down. Can you have one USDT Bybit? Is this better? Yeah, this is better. It already broke the trend, right? So the retest up here. Something like this up here. Steven, where are we going, up or down? Herbar, yeah, what's happening with Herbar? Let's keep this. I don't think this is it. Yeah, this looks like a channel. One way or the other. So if it does come down to the lows, but you know, we still need Bitcoin to pull back, and Bitcoin is not looking like it wants to pull back. It is a little bit overextended from the some moving averages up here. But it can just consolidate in these ranges and continue. Silica. There is a line up here. You see the line? A fake out up here that right now comes to stop. But if you want a long, everything needs to pull back. XRP. XRP doing what XRP is best at, being a stable coin. I don't understand why people would wanna hodl XRP. I don't get it. The price of this thing, man. Sorry, I don't get it. I don't get it. Yeah, if you want to go long, everything needs to pull back. But you know, how long is the pullback gonna take? A link. XRP was just has very strong fair market value zones. I feel comfortable holding. I don't get it. You can try to convince me about XRP. What is the, guys, explain this to me about XRP. I'm not trying to FUD XRP, but where is the hype about XRP? What are people gonna be very, very excited about when they hear XRP? What does XRP do? Like, where is what does it, like, nobody is using XRP for anything, not for NFTs, not for metaverses, not for trading, you know, it's not used as a stable coin. Like, what is XRP, what is XRP gonna do? I'm seeing it still, you know, top 10 on the coin market cap, and there is a huge hype about it, but I just don't get it, and I'm not very good with fundamentals. Bitcoin replacing the SWIFT system, are you crazy? They got CBDC coming. How is XRP gonna replace SWIFT system? They got CBDC. Same as was to SEC Ripple case. But yeah, but what's gonna SEC Ripple case do? Replacing SWIFT system, not true. All you said is untrue. That's the plan, I'm just telling you, bro. I don't get it. Like, I understand that you guys are saying that it's gonna replace SWIFT system. I just don't get it. They are gonna get the CBDC. The CBDC is gonna be the new SWIFT system. It's gonna be interoperable across all of the you know, all of the central banks. They are building CBDCs on XRPL, digital pound, to access crypto, not XRP. Ripple's using it for ODL, and it's been expanding while being sued. It's a quantitative thing, the court case. Use Chainlink to interconnect with blockchain for bank payments, not XRP. So it's fight between Link and XRP. I have 15 XRP just in case. No. I don't know. Maybe you guys know more than me, and you probably do, so you know, I won't go into that, you know. There's no expertise now, so the backbone will be something like XRP, XL I think, I don't know. I don't want to ruin your guys' dreams, but it's already been tested on private ledger. I'm just looking at the chart. I'm just looking at XRP chart without knowing, you know, fundamentals or anything like that. 2018, not even close. This is the bottom down here, right? The bottom levels up here. It's up like, you know, 160% from the bottom from 2 years ago. Is this the guys? Maybe. Okay, guys. I'm gonna give you this. You know, you see up here, then zigzag, okay? See this move up here, and then see this move up here, and right now zigzag. So if the next move up here is again the same move, XRP to 100, guys. It looks like the same pattern. This over here looks like this over here. You remember in February 2021, you said your only coin was XRP back then, and you were drinking wine, and you were the biggest XRP fan, or were you trolling? I think you are. That wasn't me, man. I never drink wine. February 2021. No, that was not me. You are confusing me with somebody else. Arad is going to 589, but there's some measurable thermal spare. Yeah, probably somebody else. It wasn't me. I don't drink wine. I drink right now. I'm drinking cultured milk. Yeah, I'm drinking cultured milk. That's my thing. How's Bitcoin doing? It's pulling back, but not much. A fun video back in the video. Forget about the drink. Okay, but I can tell you right now. You said, and you were the biggest XRP fan. I was the fan of XRP because there was a lot of people. There was huge hype. I wasn't. If I was ever a fan of XRP, it was because of the hype and the community around it. It was never because of fundamentals, because I cannot be a very huge fan of anything fundamentally. But let's see a little bit XRP. Do we have anything, So this actually just right now broke the move. It's retesting. Now XRP is ready to, do another move maybe. Oh, this 5-minute time frame. I thought this was hourly. This is hourly. This is 4 hourly. Oh yeah. XRP looks nice. This is 4 hourly for XRP. So maybe might do, a nice move up here towards the upside. But it's not very volatile. This is 1, 2, 3. Long time ago. I follow you for 2 years. Okay, man. If you say so. I might have been bullish on XRP during the bull market because of the community and, the hype and stuff like that. But I don't think I was bullish on when it comes to fundamentals or anything like that. Top 3. Oh. But beside the XRP, beside the fundamentals on the XRP and everything like that, guys, beside everything else, right? If you look at a coin cap, XRP right now is number 6. Right? XRP is number 6. 20 billion market cap. If it does 10x, it's gonna be, number 1 on Ethereum. But I'm not counting on Bitcoin, I'm not counting on Ethereum, I'm not counting on BNB, I'm not counting the XRP, Cardano, Polygon, not even Dogecoin up here, or Solana, these coins will, give me a lot of money back or stuff like that, right? I think these coins will give you decent returns. Even XRP, because it's still gonna be sticking probably in top 10 up here. But these coins, they can do X amount of X towards the upside, and then it's pretty much game over, because Ethereum is not gonna do 100x. I can tell you that right now. So how many X's these top coins can do. BNB is 50 billion market cap, 10x, that's a, bigger market cap than right now the Bitcoin has. But Bitcoin is a bear market, so Bitcoin is gonna double that. Could it do 10x? I mean, it can do 10x. All of these coins can do 10x, but you are in a crypto space because of volatility. If you wanna take 10x, you go to, stock market, and stock market has, coins that do 10x. We are looking for something more than 10x. Where is it? I don't see it. Is that resistance or what? Or is it above the resistance? I also think this one can be a very nice line, but we are not even close to the midline yet. 12 hourly. Well, you pulled all the way down here, right? Depends a little bit on which wicks up here you use. I don't know what you used up here in the chat. This one up here, and I don't know, you cut a lot of these wicks up here, so I don't think this is correct line. You can see also this midline up here is not respecting. I think there is better line than this one. Especially because, you know, none of these wicks up here, maybe this wick up here in the middle is, you know, doing it, but... Let me see. I think something like this, but it's a little bit more angled. Maybe even this one up here. See how these at least are touching it, right? But then this one is not actually doing anything. Maybe we want a little bit towards downside now. This is a little bit better. Maybe something like this. This looks nice. Do you know why this looks nice? Like over here is a touch, like there are a couple of touches up here. You know, give or take. Then you got this range, you got this above move, you got this support, you got this fake out, you got this drop up here. Some lines up here and fake out up there. I mean, it could be. There are alternatives. Let's draw it on a bigger time. Let's go even bigger time frame, 2-day time frame, because then we eliminate a lot of these weeks. Let's use this one and this one. This looks nice. Yeah, this looks very nice. Look at it. Especially this wick in the middle up here. This one is important, I think. And then you got this one, and then you got like where we went through that. So if you do daily of this one up here and adjust it a little bit up here, yeah, something like this. It does look nice. It's even a little bit higher up here, then you get to hit these 2 wicks up there, but not so much this one. So I think maybe it's down here. Maybe it's all the way down here. No, it cannot be that. I don't know, this seems fine. Right now we're bouncing off the bottom, so however you look at it, it looks nice. This part over here, but you know, faked out, failed up there. But these stops are not even hit, not even close. Long and short. My lines are right. Check the group, you could trade it 2 times. This is the first move. Expanding wedge down to the bottom right. Yeah, this is the first move down here. This was this one, right? Yeah, you're right. So we need to use these two because that's what we have in the start. No. We gotta. Let's. You know. I don't know. Channels are, you know, there is channel all over the place. Finding the channels is hard. Can I join TLA fan club? You cannot join TLA fan club. You can join TA fan club. Yes, of course, man. There is a link. Where is the link? I can probably write like it. youtube.com/ the late adopter / join. I think this is the link. I think that's the link, but I might be wrong. I don't know. Milani, did you see that that even Garrett Soloway is talking about natural gas? Yesterday we looked at natural gas, and today I saw that Garrett Soloway is actually talking about it. Chelsea, what's up, chat? M214, how you doing, man? What's up? But you know, oftentimes when you cannot find a pattern on anything like that, it's better just look for something else where you can find pattern. So maybe we should just look at whatever, you know, whatever else there is. Whatever else there is. Maybe it's going this to midline or something like that. Let's go for hourly time from up here. I really want a long Aptos, but if you catch Aptos, you're good. Beats under resistance. I like his monitors. If I'm ever going to be a YouTuber, I would do it like him. What do you mean his monitors? These big ones. Yeah, but... 360. These monitors in the back, this is from a classroom or something like that. Crypto news. Oh, this is just crypto news. Solaway. You mean these monitors in the background? Yeah. But it's not very practical because if you have monitors in the background, then you have to, you know, turn one way, the other way all the time. So the best thing is just having, you know, the no, like in the school. Oh, okay, the one. Okay. Those are very big monitors. There are actually, I think there is a guy or two that are actually doing it that way. You know, TA on big screens. More to have, the more you know. Exactly. The more monitors you have, the higher your win rate. It is, I have experience. The more monitors you have, the higher the win rate. Maybe on a big team in the beginning. It's science. Exactly, it's science. You cannot fight science. Hi Tausgi, how you doing, man? Phantom didn't drop. ARA didn't drop. Ethereum didn't drop. Bitcoin is not dropping. Nothing is dropping. There is no... RSR. Let's look at 1 hour time frame of stuff. This pumping, this pumping, this pumping. The only thing up here is like this one, but you know, the move down right now is pretty huge, like 2% down. V-chain. XRP is going into the support level up here on 1 hour. But you know, do we really want a long XRP? Do we really want a long XRP? I mean, technically this is a good long because you see down here, this is these are moving averages up here. Right now it's coming into these moving averages, so a huge amount of support up here. I mean, just 0.34% down. If it goes below that, then you know, pretty much effed, right? So you know, the down move, like if it fails up here, which can technically do that up here, fail and go down. Around 23,390. I hope we pump more. So you stopped the pump. You stopped the pump. No, yeah, it actually went up after that. Ooh, falling wedge. This is a falling wedge. XRP, USD, Bybit. Let's see if there is a better volume on Bybit. Not really, but let's see. XRP, USDT, Binance. No, there is no volume. XRP, USDT, Bybit. Let's just look at this last part up here. I mean, it is plausible. Yeah, we might we can actually long it, and then we put some kind of stop loss down here at 0.34, and we hope for a breakout towards upside, and then we pump 0.01% or something like that. Don't you guys think this falling wedge can play out? This 1 minute falling wedge. But on 5 minute up here. 50 minutes. Let's pull out the moving average up here a little bit. Just a double top up here. It's pulled back enough. I'm already doing profit, bro. Train is about to see space and time. Short scalp. Short scalp on higher leverage. I'm not shorting this bottom down here. There is no way. 4 daily closes up here. 4 hourly closes in 2 hours. 1 hourly closes in 5 minutes. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Let's take a quick break, and I'll think a little bit. Maybe we're gonna break out of the wedge or something like that. Hold on. So Bitcoin is doing the pullback, so we're gonna wait. It already broke the trend over here, and the next trend up here is broken as well. Might drop. We are coming to Monday, guys. We are coming to Monday. 4 hourly already closed above the 20 MA, about 10 MA, about 200 MA. And the daily is gonna close in 2 hours. And we are not even close to the resistance of 10 moving average up here. It could of course just, you know, do the drop down. 50 line, 50%. As long as it doesn't pull all the way down below this one in next 2 hours, we are fine. Is Ron in the chat? No, Ron is not the chat. When is monthly close? 3 days. 2 days and 2 hours, so in 2 days. And monthly close is exactly where we are right now. You know, important level, give or take. It's gonna be a little bit higher up here. We gotta get about 23.8 or something like that up here, because this 10 moving average is gonna move up a little bit up here, 23.7 or something like that. So hopefully in the next 2 days we're gonna be above 23.7. Fips, so I got the just. No, I'm using Fibonacci to find you know, 50%. 50%. I'm not using these other levels, you know, just 50%. XRP. I already broke it. Let's see 1 minute. One hourly closed. It already did that. Let's go long on XRP, because XRP up here might, you know, 0.4%. Sure. 0.4%. How much money do they have? 4632. We're gonna say 0.4, 1%. $11.58. XRP. Well, right now it pulled back. Within seconds it pulled back. Maybe it's a channel. Let's see if it's a channel. It's 1 minute channel, but you know. Yeah, it is this one. Bitcoin has nothing. Falling channel could pump. Yeah, falling channels are nice, but it's 1 minute falling channel. It's not like, you know, 1 hourly falling channel like that. You can see up here that we are a little bit extended, but nothing much. You know, if you could see, you know, hourly pulling back a little bit more up here, but something like, you know, to 50 levels down here, that would be nice. Once the GP is with 6. Yeah, no. It wasn't what I was looking at. It doesn't matter. I was looking at something else, not the golden pocket. It is ready to move. I feel pretty confident about XRP. I don't think I don't know what I'm waiting for. I mean, the move down is like, you know, 0.3, 0.4% below the moving average, right? We could wait more. But why? Why should we wait more? Because there's a lot of support lines up here. We're sitting on the support. This 1 hourly, 4 hourly support up here, give or take. Maybe this is the line. Now, where do we draw the line? Big doji up here. It could go all the way up there, right? It's like 2% up. Still pushing down. Forget XR, bro. Have a look at CRV. I don't think I can trade CRV on Bybit. That's the problem. CRV. Yeah, you can actually trade CRV on Bybit as well. I'm gonna do, you know, the breakout trades. Nah, I think it's good enough. Like, let's just do it. Let's just take a, you know, like this is 0.4. This is bearish engulfing it on 1 hourly time frame. Bitcoin is being a sketchy bastard. Bitcoin is not doing anything, you know, exceptionally well. I go around 24k. Might. I jumped up there, you know. So I feel like I'm missing it. What time? The XRP is the only thing I found that's actually on bottom of something, right? Oh, Ilvi. But Ilvi has, you know, more room to go down, like 2%. Sorry about that. Look at the buy on Ilvi. Super TLM. Look at 1 inch, man. Look at 1 inch. Is 1 inch tradable on Bybit? Yeah, so what do I press now? What do I press now? I don't know. I turned off something. I don't know what I turned off. Look at a big extension up here. This looks like a double bottom up here. Oh, that's a big drop. Such a small time frames as well. Matic similar. Yeah, but Matic is a little bit, you know, sketchy. It's like still 2% down. Like, this is so volatile. But a few days ago, it's up 18% today. Like, yeah, a lot of coins are up a whole bunch. What was the multiple diagonal line indicator called you're using? It's, you mean this one? This is just fib channels. So you have to, you know, go up here in the settings and change the settings for the channel, and you get a fib channels. Yeah, you just have same distance between the lines, because basically what this tool does, you know, this is fib channels, but you know, you can change numbers. So as long as you have the same distance between the lines, you get, you know, very nice, you know, double channels and stuff like that. It looks a little bit weak. We can wait. And this isn't going anywhere. See if they're dropping down. Zcash, Rose, let's see for all this stuff. Yeah. Oh, Hubar. Wow, it came down over here. Let's see daily. It's, you know, Hubar is as, you know, as low as it can be. Look at it down here move. Let's look at Hubar a little bit more. I mean, it needs to break this trend up here. It's not even close. But there is this trend over here that it wants to break. Let's move the moving averages up here a little bit. might be some action. And yeah. Let's look at Herbar. Herbar is interesting because it didn't pump. Everything that didn't pump is interesting to me. If stop already pumped, like meh, you cannot long it. This looks nice. So we just need to figure out, and this breakout already kind of happened up here. No, it didn't. It already had this pull down. It's been dropping for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days straight down. Can go down to 50. It's already down at 45. Extensions on the MACD. Weekly closing in 2 hours. There has been no capitulation dump on this thing over here though. Ever since the top up here, there has been literally no capitulation dump. There has been no capitulation dump. Oftentimes you'll see a big move down with a volume up here. There was some volume up here and there was some volume up here, but no capitulation dump. Monthly up there. How much did Herbar do from bottom to top? 168, so not that much. It's already pulling back something like, 26% down. It did hold the 2-day up here, 2-day closing 1 hour. RSI was low as 25, but there is no... Start up here. No, I'm still hitting the resistance. But we might get... pulled back down here. How's XRP doing so far? 0.34. XRP went below the moving averages. Good thing we didn't long. Is there a bearish divergence on Bitcoin 1 hour, Salah? Bearish divergence on 1 hour Bitcoin. Nah, there is no 1 hourly bearish divergence. 4 hourly. It's too far away. Wait. Nah, everything looks nice. So, no, everything looks nice. I think this downtrend is, you know, longable. It looks very nice. But where is the lines? Down here. And this fast move down already broke. So what you have right now is this move down here. It's getting rejected right now. And what we have then, we also have this move up here. There's some kind of triangle, broke down, still bleeding down, but I think it's going to the... So if this pulls down right now, there might be a bullish divergence. But you gotta go below 73.2. There might be bullish divergence. Hidden bullish 4 hourly. Bitcoin hidden bullish 4 hourly. You mean this one over here? It's not hidden bullish, it's bearish. Hidden bullish 4 hourly. I don't see it. We already broke the trend, so it's good. I'm late to the party, bull trend confirmed again, dump finished. We are hoping that the dump is finished. There is no such certainty, but... Check the group. Yes, I will. What? A 0.38 Fibonacci. I'm assuming you're serious about this, so I'm gonna take you seriously. But I don't see any divergence. Don't look into the group, too late. Nah, we can do Fibonacci. I even posted a video yesterday about Fibonacci's, guys. I'm not anti Fibonacci. I mean, I'm a little bit anti Fibonacci. But I also posted this video over here, how to trade with Fibonacci levels. This is like the best video I've seen on Fibonacci. It's an old video, so they gotta know what's right. GP bounce on the dollar, lol. Yeah, golden pocket on the dollar. Don't tell me you are becoming a believer, man. Don't tell me you are becoming a believer. Who's paying you to put a gun to you? I got a new Fibonacci sponsor, guys. But I need to warm you up towards revelation. So there is that. This is one of these levels that we've been looking at. Yeah, so it needs to stop here. Where's Herbar? I liked Herbar. I really liked Herbar. Okay, there it is. It's gonna break probably this one as well. I just need to figure out Herbar. I wanna figure out because I think this thing up here had a very long move down. It's sitting on the support down here somewhere, right? And it had this, big move down. There's two moves up here. There is a channel. Maybe it's a channel. Fibs for a long time, man, but it's not adapting to my style of trading. Yeah, I think everybody uses both fibs and emotional moving averages and volume profile and all this kind of stuff, But we figure out what works and what doesn't work eventually. Do we have any kind of volume up here? Keeping still no volume, still just bleeding down. No breaking trend. See here, the volume is kicking in again. The volume is kicking in again. Low volume and then big volume up here. Low volume, and right now the volume is kicking in up here again. I didn't say that. What did you say? You said I was using Fibonacci for a long time, but it's not adopting to my style of trading. You just said that. I don't see anything on this thing over here. I just want to focus on this move up here, but I don't see it. What is the best line you can draw on this thing over here? Is this the best line? Is this the very, very best line I can draw on this thing over here? Seems okay-ish, but not enough. I want to be friends with the Fibs guys. So you said it doesn't work. Yeah, it's good thing to be friends with the Fib guys. Yeah. And there is this you know, trading firm called Capital SBM or something like that. SBM, yeah. There is this trading firm called Capital SBM. They have a lot. They have like, you know, a lot of videos on trading and stuff like that. And they teach their people to use Fibonacci and emotional moving averages and this and that and volume profile. Yeah, you know. So who am I to say, you know, these things are wrong thing to use? You know, who am I to say that, you know, the technical analysis that, you know, I'm doing is the right way when, you know, a huge, I don't know huge, but a big prop firm, trading some from our New York City prop firm, are using emotional moving average, Fibonacci's, volume profile, and God knows what else. Right? So, I'm doing my thing, called Fibs for you. BTC is dumping. Yeah, it's pulling back, it's not dumping. There's difference between dump and pullback. But this is dump. Right now I'm glad I took, you know, profit on my 30% you know, phantom. Short scalp high leverage would be great. Yeah, we should have shorted up there, but you know, we are like, no, we're gonna wait for a pullback. There is a line up here, give or take. Might even be all the way up there. But there are two lines. This one. Good range point low. It's not gonna happen on 1 minute time frame. Where's my hot bar? Double bottom here. This is still down like, you know, 1% down, and that's pretty heavy. What are MAs? One hour. We got 30-minute close. Pull below the line. Twenty, like figure. I think this needs to do another move down here. This is the problem, right? And then down here. And then long up here. Now that I would be a lot more comfortable with. If you did this move down here, give or take. So it goes back down to this line up here again. This on phantom, but you know, there's that, and then move towards the upside. It's actually pretty nice. So many wicks getting crushed. Yeah, something like this down here. You missed the move. See you tomorrow. Okay, Mladen. Bye-bye. Thanks for stopping by, man. I appreciate it. But I got nothing better to do than to watch the charts, so, you know, we're gonna stick around for a little while, more, you know, a while longer. I don't think it's gonna go all the way. I think it might be actually down to the previous lows. I'm gonna keep an eye on phantom. Still don't see, you know, still don't see. But it's flattening out, so, you know, it will eventually break the trend over here. Eventually. Bounce. Nah, it's just a slow bounce. I like a herbar a little bit more. I like herbar because herbar is longable. I don't know why, but herbar looks nice. It could drop, you know, another couple of percentages down. So US futures open to, yeah, that's what we are waiting for. CME futures as well. So that's gonna be very, very interesting right now. This, you know, CME futures closed at 21,185. So where is Bitcoin right now? 21,185. There you go. That's where the futures closed. So there will be a gap up here. So maybe a down towards that, you know, open. Man, every time people say something, you know, yell out the name, I think, you know, its stuff is pumping, but you know, they are very excited about OP and their coins. Where's XRP on weekly time frame? All the way down 6.5. I mean, that's a big move down. Like 12% more down. Slide is nice. 730, give or take. CME gap. Yeah, CME gap. That's gonna be super interesting. It's not doing anything. There's a bullish cross up here, but it can't go down here. It does that. I think it might be very nice, you know, long position, because this looks like a distortion pattern up here. Move down is just bleeding down with these big moves. We got like something like 50 more minutes. Let's take a quick break, and then maybe after that there will be moves on Bitcoin. Oh, I'm getting tired, guys. I don't think there will be a trade. I'm very undecisive. Very undecisive. I think if this falls down over here, it might be a nice trade for a long. It's breaking everything though. Not everything, but okay guys, I don't think there will be a trade tonight, and there is, you know, one more hour until the daily close. So I'm a little bit unsure. There it can still pop up. Weekly doji. Pump coming on SRP. Nah, it broke down where I initially thought it was gonna stay above. These moving averages up here, it broke down below that. So no support. Bearish engulfing candle. It looks like it's gonna dump more. I think everything might have another dump towards downside over here. I think everything might actually do this move up here and then go up. Anyways guys, we're gonna stop the stream over here. I have found myself some cheese doodles, so I cannot eat and stream at the same time because the sound. But yeah, let's look at a Bollinger Band. Long time since we looked at Bollinger Bands. Monthly Bollinger Bands. Right now I'm going to squeeze up here. 2-day Bollinger. Wow, look at it. Look at a squeeze, guys. The squeeze is happening. Not on daily time frame. 2-day time frame squeeze happening. Let's see 3-day time frame. Only on 2-day time frame there is a squeeze. Going towards squeeze. Okay, laku noć. Thanks for the stream. Have a nice day, guys. I'm gonna go watch a little bit more charts by myself, but I don't think there will be any kind of trades or anything like that. It's kind of sketchy. 2-day time frame closing up here. Daily, hopefully in 1 hour, is gonna close above this 20 moving average. That would be nice. And now these Fibonacci, you know, midline up here that I'm looking at. You see this 50 line? That's what I was looking at last time. This wasn't Fibonacci. I was just looking at midline, 50% line between the tops and bottom up here. So I would like it actually to close above that in the next, you know, hour or so. So we're gonna see. Okay guys, I see you around. Bye bye.